So, welcome for today's class of B.Ed first year, unit 1, growth and development of a child. I'm going to give you all the handwritten notes on principle of growth and development. This is part 2. In the previous lecture, I have explained all about, I have cleared the concept of growth and development, right? I have given you all the notes on growth and development. This is a part 2, lecture 2 also you can say. Okay, I'm going to give you all the notes on principle of growth and development. Okay, so take down principles of growth and development. So basically I'm going to give you all the 5 principles. So the first principle is principle of concrete thinking to abstract thinking. What does it mean? The principle of concrete thinking to abstract thinking means that development occurs in the way that a child starts thinking about concrete objects and then it develops to the abstract topics. Second principle is principle of predictability of development. Okay, what it says that the principle of predictability is referred to the point that development can be assumed and predicted by others. After analyzing the actions of intelligence, interest, capabilities, capacities, and personal attitudes. Third principle is about principle of the frequency of growth and development rate. Okay, what does it say? It has been examined that a child has a rapid growth rate in the childhood than the later stages of maturation. However, the pace at which the child grows is not uniform and fixed. The rate of growth is much more in the initial stage at the development at the qualitative level continues to thrive. Okay, now this is the fourth principle. Now next is the principle of general to specific development. Okay, this is the fourth one, right? This I have given you all the third, second, and the first one was here. First, second, third, fourth one is right over here. Okay, principle of general to specific development. It says that a child learns the general thing or at a initial level. Initial means starting point. But later on, which the passage of growth, the child begins to learn specific things with names and with different identities. For example, a child grabs everything in a careless manner, but later on, the child starts holding things with care. Right? Next is the principle of integration. Now, principle of integration means, now I can take down the principle of integration means that a child starts to integrate different parts along with the passage of growth as a child speaks the different sounds at first, but with the lingual development a child learns to integrate these sounds into words. Okay, words to sentences with meaning later on. Okay, so I hope you'll have understood this 5 principle. Okay, so I'll wind up my class here only. Y'all can take down the notes still here. In the next class, the next topic I will be giving y'all in the next class. Okay, that will be part 3. I will be explaining all the stages of the child. Okay, and the link is in the description of the this thing of the playlist of today's video. And thanks for watching. If any doubts, queries, you can comment below.